Hello, my name is Dr. Ben Thompson, audiologist and founder of TrebleHealth.com. I'm here today to discuss the Oticon Own custom hearing aid that goes in your ear canals to provide benefits for speech understanding. If you've been following hearing aid technology, you know that Oticon has been one of the leaders in hearing aids for quite a while. And this new line is their ability to take the sound processing and speech processing ability of their computer chip and put it inside of a smaller device that goes in the ear canal. In today's video, I will discuss the features of the Oticon Own, the pros and the cons, and some other considerations for you if you're considering getting hearing aids. If you're new here, make sure to find the red subscribe button underneath this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We work hard to make educational videos that can help you with hearing loss or tinnitus ringing in the ears. Find that subscribe button and press the like button to let me know that this is the right kind of video for you. And just before we start, I want to invite you to find the link below this video where you can download the Treble Health Guide for hearing aids. We worked hard to compile all of our knowledge. Our team of audiologists came together to create this free guide, which you can download and have sent to your email so you can keep it during your research of hearing aids. And it will help you differentiate between in-person clinical hearing aids, online hearing aids, over-the-counter hearing aids, Costco hearing aids. There's a lot of details there, and I hope you can join our list by sharing your email in exchange for this amazing guide that we've been working on. Oticon Own does not replace the more traditional receiver in the canal style of hearing aids, but instead it offers another solution for those who are looking to have a piece fully in the ear canal. The vast majority of people prefer the receiver in canal style, which has the hearing aid up and behind the ear with a thin wire going to inside the ear canal where there's a rubber tip. But this new custom line from Oticon will not be visible behind the ear, and it has that piece in the ear canal. Some of the newest features are the deep neural network that Oticon brought into the Oticon More hearing aids. Now that's available inside the Oticon Own hearing aids. So it's the first in-the-ear hearing aid with this deep neural network, which means that there's some learning, some automatic learning that the hearing aid can do based on sound coming in from different situations. When there's repeated exposure to a certain acoustic environment, the hearing aid will learn and get smarter so it can make decisions based on previous situations you've been in, ultimately helping you hear more naturally and more comfortably. This technology is pretty small, so the piece in the ear canal is not big. It does not take up too much real estate, and it's a miniature technology compared to maybe more traditional hearing aids, which are up and behind the ear. These are more discreet in the ear hearing aids and can provide a great amount of sound quality in most cases. Now, I must say, in terms of sound quality, it's typically not advised to close your ear canal unless you have a certain type of hearing loss. If you only have a hearing loss in the high frequency, the high pitch sounds, speech sounds like F for Frank, S for Sam, T for Tom, the clarity of speech, then plugging your ear canals with the Oticon Own probably does not make sense, and you should be cautious about that. Make sure you speak to an audiologist about your options for hearing aids and review your hearing test before you plug up your ear canals with any hearing aid. Every now and then, individuals with hearing loss want an invisible hearing aid or something that you can hardly see. And it is possible with these custom in-ear hearing aids to have very small hearing aids that are just barely visible. Truly invisible hearing aids, those would only exist through something like the Phonak Lyric, which is very expensive, or potentially certain other kinds of small hearing aids. However, you definitely can have a small hearing aid that's only visible from the side, and the Oticon Own would be one of the best options on the market for that style of hearing aid. With Oticon Own, you can stream via Bluetooth for the in-the-canal devices, and that's a significant advantage because historically those smaller in-the-canal devices were not able to stream via Bluetooth. But now this becomes the smallest custom hearing aid with Bluetooth streaming, and as technology gets better and better for Bluetooth, that's something that you'll enjoy using to take phone calls and to adjust the devices through an app. The Oticon More was the previously new version for Oticon, and that had a lot of great features, including improved music programs, that deep neural network which we spoke about, which can reportedly reduce listening effort and improve speech understanding. All of those features are included in this new Oticon Own custom product. Let's talk about tinnitus, or what's also pronounced as tinnitus. There's been no change to the tinnitus programs within the Oticon Own software. So the Oticon More has white noise and other oscillating water-like noises, while Oticon Own follows a similar style here, where it does provide some benefit for tinnitus, and you can adjust the sound therapy treatment with the help of your audiologist that you're working with. If this video has been helpful, leave a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed. We care about you and your hearing loss journey. My name is Dr. Ben Thompson, founder of TrebleHealth.com. Overall, the form of these hearing aids, the Oticon Own hearing aids, overall, the form factor is a big improvement from other custom in the ear hearing aids. There's no significant changes to the technology other than the miniaturization of them, making them smaller. So all that to say, Oticon Own is a good decision if you're looking for in the canal or in the ear hearing aids, and make sure you reach out to a trusted audiologist like those at Treble Health to learn more about your options. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching today's video with Treble Health. Check out our next video by clicking the button on this screen or another recommended video. And if you're not already, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much. See you on the next video.